how to see birthdays on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can see birthdays on Snapchat. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You want to simply open up your Snapchat application and then you can head into your friend list or chat section. Once you head into chat section or profile, you want to head into your friend's profile that you want to view the friend birthday of. Once you open up the profile, if you scroll down below, if they have their birthday available, you should be able to see down below here if they have enabled their birthday here. However, you can see it's private. They haven't enabled, this user hasn't enabled it, so you can head into other friends, and this is the way you can know that their birthday is here on Snapchat. The other way is you want to scroll on the chat and you want to look in for cake emoji here. If anyone has their birthday here, you'll be able to see their cake emoji right here. The other way is on the shortcuts. If you just head into shortcuts, scroll down, and here you can see shortcuts. Here you'll be able to see the cake icon or the birthday icon here if anyone has their birthday. So this way you can see birthdays on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.